Hello and welcome back to Neetu's Nest. Everyone loves cupcakes. This is one cupcake recipe that you will need and are very super easy to make with a texture that is light, fluffy and melt in your mouth. So let's see how to make these yummy and tasty cupcakes. First, to make the butterscotch sauce, you need to take a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Now allow this to melt and it should caramelize until you get a light brown color. Once you attain this color, to this add 6 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you do this on low flame so that the sugar does not get burnt. Keep stirring this until you get this texture. It will start bubbling. So take this off the heat and to this you can add fresh cream. Here I am adding around ½ cup of fresh cream and mix this well until you get a saucy texture. This sauce will thicken as it cools down. Now transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. Now take another bowl and add 1/4 cup of curd and 1/4 cup of milk. Now mix this well and keep this aside. Now take a bigger bowl and to this add in the softened butter and beat it well for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now to this add 3/4 cup of sugar and beat it for about 5 minutes until it is thick and fluffy. Now to this add 2 eggs . Beat this well until it is well combined. To this add in the vanilla essence . Once you have blended the vanilla, you can scrape down the bowl. Now it is time to sift in the dry ingredients. So first here I am adding 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of salt. Adding the dry ingredients, beat this at a medium speed until it is just combined. Don't overmix it. Now to this add in the curd and milk mixture and beat it until it is just combined and smooth. Now you can scrape down the bowl as needed. To this add in around 2 to 3 teaspoons of the butterscotch sauce which you have made initially and give this a good mix until the sauce is combined well with the batter. Now you can divide the batter evenly so that it will fit into 12 count lined muffins or cupcake pans, filling them about 2/3 of them full. Now bake them in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now you can see that the cupcakes are ready. Let them cool in a pan for about 5 minutes and then you can transfer it to a wire rack and cool them to room temperature before frosting them. Now for the frosting, here I have taken 1 cup of frozen whipping cream. You can beat this well for about 6 to 7 minutes until you get stiff peaks. Now to this you can add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and also around 2 to 3 teaspoons of the butterscotch sauce. Now beat this well until it is well incorporated. Now that our frosting is ready, we can transfer this to a piping bag. Here I am using a star tip nozzle. Now you can see that the cupcakes have cooled down completely. So now we can do the frosting. These cupcakes are perfectly soft, rising evenly and go well with the butterscotch frosting. After the cupcakes are frosted, refrigerate this until it is ready to serve. These cupcakes are great served when chilled or at room temperature because they do not harden with refrigeration. You can use the same batter even for making a cake. For making the buttermilk, if you don't have curd, you can also add 1 cup of milk to 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Combine and let it sit for 10 minutes to curdle. Stir it and use it. Once you have frosted them, you can either decorate it with some sprinklers or some sugar balls or even with some butterscotch sauce. So do try out this recipe and let me know your feedbacks in the comments below. See you in the next video with another great recipe. Until then, it's bye from me.